What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing an overview on our new entry-level model, the Solar E1, and we're also going to be showing you how to set yours up for the very first time when yours arrives. So let's get this off the table and let's show you how to set this up. So before we get into the setup of your E1, we do recommend that you put it on charge for a good 6 to 7 hours before your first ride. So if you haven't done that already, pause this video, go put it on charge, and then come back and we can carry on. So now that you've done that, let's get into the setup of the E1. So you can see that it's folded down at the minute, and yours will be like this when it arrives too. And the first thing you want to do is pull out these handlebars. Now all you have to do is just pull them out until they click into place like that. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is you want to come down to this red lever here at the front of the scooter, and it might be a bit tough to start off with, but you just want to press it with your thumb and then this will become loose, and then you can simply click it into place like that. Now what you might have to do is just stand on the scooter and push the handlebars forward until it clicks into place like that. Now all we have to do is turn it on, and then I can go through some of the parameters and settings on the E1. So to turn on the E1, all you want to do is hold on to this M button for a few seconds, and then it will turn on like that, and it gives us all the information we need. So I'm just going to go through this with you. So you've got your miles per hour just here, so this is your speed. On the right hand side here is your battery level indicator. See these 4 squares? So at the minute this has 3 bars, or around 75%. Just here is your odometer. So you can see that I've done 10.5 miles in this so far. And we are in eco mode, which is the slowest mode. So slowest acceleration, slowest top speed. So to change the different speed modes, what you want to do is press this plus button once, and you can see that you can toggle through the different modes there. When you first get this, and if you've never been on an e-scooter before, we recommend that you start in eco mode just to get used to it, just to get used to the speed and get used to your scooter. And then once you get more confident, you can toggle through to medium and then eventually high when you get a bit more confident. This e-scooter actually features front headlights, so to turn them on, all you have to do is hold this plus button, and all the lights around the scooter have turned on, and you can see that this is confirmed by this little icon here. And to turn them off, you just press and hold the plus button, and you can see that they've turned off there. And then to turn off the whole scooter, you just press and hold the M until it turns off, just like that. Now you'll notice that this scooter has a thumb accelerator just here. Now if I just turn the scooter back on again, one of the safety features on this scooter is if you say accidentally press this, at any time when you're not on the scooter, it won't go anywhere. So this is just to ensure that it won't zip off in front of you and crash into something. This won't go anywhere unless you're standing on it and unless you push off. So if you're wondering why it's not working, just stand on the scooter, give it a little push and a bit of acceleration, and then you'll get moving. And then on the left hand side of the scooter, we've got your classic bell here, and you've also got your brake. Now this acts as your drum brake and your e-brake, so once you press this, both of the braking systems will activate at the same time. This is just to ensure maximum stopping distance, and you'll stop on a dime. Also, when you pull this, you are going to be putting energy back into the battery, making this scooter that little bit more efficient, just sort of gaining back a few miles. So that's all good. If you want to adjust the height of the handlebars, all you need to do is release this latch, and then you can move the handlebars up and down to the desired height. And then once you've found the height that you want, all you need to do is clamp this back in place like that, and they won't move. The notable features on the E1 include a 500 watt rear motor, good for a top speed of around 26 miles per hour, and the battery range is good for 25 miles per charge depending on use. It also features a strong rear suspension system, taking out any little bumps in the road. So to pack away the E1, all you have to do first is pull out the red metal parts of the handlebars like this, and they should just fold away neatly like this. The next thing you want to do is stand on this red metal tab here. So what I recommend you doing is just lifting it to central position. Make sure the kickstand's in. Firmly place your foot on the red tab and push forward at the same time slightly on the handlebars, and it should just collapse like that. And then what you need to do is just click this into place and you're good to go. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you had any trouble setting up your E1, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our team. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Get in touch at hello@solarscooters.co.uk. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. We will be bringing out more videos on the E1 and the rest of our lineup as well. So if that's something that you'd be interested in watching, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.